Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Nev's Garage. Now in recent episodes you would have seen us fit LED bulbs to all our indicators on this MY99 WRX. But now it's glitching out and doing this HyperFlash, right? We're seeing more flashes per minute than a Nicki Minaj video. That's even without Adriana Grande. So we need to do something about it, right? Luckily, me mate Lincoln has provided us with this LED specific flasher unit, right? That's going to fix our problem right up. And he's even pre-wired it for us. What a gem. It's going to be real simple. Let's fit this bad boy and see how we end up. Come on guys. Alright, so now first we're going to get to the flasher. Now the easiest way to find the flasher, of course, is to turn it on and follow the noise. It's definitely up under the dash somewhere, okay? So it's just going to turn it off for now. And we might take this bottom dash trim off, I think. Alright, let's have a look for a clicker. There it is. So you can of course find it by just following the noise and touching it until it vibrates. I'll show you which one it is. Okay, see it there? That's it. That little guy. Okay. So what we're going to do is just turn it off for a sec. And we'll just unplug him. Okay. Now on the side it has Niles IF346. There it is. Nice and blurry for you. Okay, so there's the connector for it. And you can see on the bottom there, the pin out is marked L, B and E, which is load, battery, and of course earth. Okay, so that's how we need to wire our new unit. So let's stick it in. So here's the unit we're going to be using. Now you'll see it's marked on the LED flasher, which means it's not load timed, but it's electronically timed. And it's got a pin out on there. So instead of having LBE, it's got some numbers, or L1 and 2. Okay? Now basically it does the same thing, it's just a different way of labelling it. And you can see me mate Link's already wired it up to suit a Subaru before. Actually came out of his bug eye. Alright, so we should be able to just stick it straight back into our GC8. So let's give it a go. Alright, so here's our new unit. Okay, now effectively what we're going to be doing is connecting pin 49 to battery, pin 31 to earth, and L of course to L, or load, right? So we've got our original pin out still in the flasher unit up there. This one is battery, this one is load, we know the other one is earth. So we just put them straight in there.
like that, and like that, and like that. The reason for the crisscross fly leads is because this LED flasher is pinned the other way around. Alright, so it's connected. Now I'm just gonna sit it up in there for a sec and just give it a try. And success, it works perfectly. Alright, cool. Not that you guys would know yet because you can't see the exterior. Haha, I cheated. Anyway, let's mount it up in there so I can show you. Just like that. I reckon that'll be lovely. Cool. Alright, so let's throw the trim back on now, which is obviously just the reverse of the removal. Like that. Alright guys, well we've got our new flasher in there. Shall we see how it goes? Damn right, we should see how it goes. Check it out. That's a more reasonable FPM. That means flash per minute in the biz. That's sweet. Come on, I'll show you. Let's get a bit of a close-up. So here's our front ones. Nice. 2 times nice. One side one. Other side one. Now let's have a look at the back ones, which we really couldn't check out properly the other day. Oh yeah. Yeah, it makes them look heaps better, eh? That's filth. Cool. Alright guys, well that's a job well done. That's a great thing to do on a rainy old day like today. Now it's all done though. That's it for this episode. So please jump on our socials at Gossam Media, follow us there, and also subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. That way you'll be notified when our next great video drops. Until then, Bart, please keep liking and sharing, and we'll see you next time on Nev's Garage.